Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, July 29. Time is around 9 GMT. And with this video, I would like to do a recap of the trading week. So we will have a look at what we did, what went good, what could be better, what can we learn from this. So this is rather an educational video for the people who watch my daily videos actually. So yeah, let's start here with the Nasdaq. I think overall it was quite a difficult trading week in the sense of hard structures to interpret, structures not really playing out. Also some really brutal moves, I would say, like what we had in the Nasdaq here, a rally of 2.5%, a drop of 2.5%, a rally of 2.5%. Yeah, this is really violent and difficult. Like, I mean, this is not us, a bunch of retail traders creating this. This is the big money trying to shake us out. So we have to. We have to stay cool and stick to the data, stick to our rules. But I would say this is really difficult. These kind of structures, like last week, I could catch it here, so I had this move, and then yeah, on on Thursday, I took this move here, this ABC correction. I took partial profits here, but to be honest, I was expecting that we would make one more low. This was also where I wanted to take my full profit. But then, we started to rally again, and I was risk free, but I was stopped out for the second part of my profit taking. But yeah, that's okay. It's part of trading. I had some profit. I did not lose, so that's the most important. And next week we will continue here with the Nasdaq. Like so this still makes sense. This can still be something like a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 into this area, like I explained on my video Friday. But what could also be is that this is, for instance, still our wave B, that we therefore have this mess here. This could typically be a wave B. Wave B are very complicated and ugly, messy structures. So this could actually go for a wave B, so that we do A, B, that we take out this high, that we do A, B, and then C down again into this area, or we just start to move up again, and this then was only a shallow retracement. So several possibilities. We will analyze this in more depth next week. Then if we go to the DOW, so yeah, no trade in the DOW this week. I was I was waiting for this to end. It's like it kept on going. It was really waiting, difficult to find the top here. Then we dropped. So the pullback came, but then we had again some V-shape recovery here. But yeah, my main expectation is that we are still correcting here, and next week this might be an interesting buying area if it would play out a correction like this. So as a W, X, Y, so A, B, C, A, B, C, and then from here again, A, B, C down into this area. Then this would be a nice buy, I think. But yeah, so no trade in the Dow last week. I was waiting for the top, but to be honest, it also came a bit too early. I was expecting one more high here, didn't play out. Okay, let's see what we can do next week with the Dow. Then if we go to the FTSE here, yeah, this is also a trade I'm looking for already a long time. I also told it in my weekly recap last weekend that I was waiting for this, but yeah, we are. I still think it's a short opportunity. I had an entry this week, but I was then I think it was somewhere here. I had an entry. We started to go down. I could create a risk-free position, but in the end, I was stopped out again. So yeah, we are just sitting here. I will still monitor this. Hopefully, next week I can find an entry again. Like I think, yeah, it is playing out like this now. So a final wave 5 here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. This is what I'm looking for next week to find a new entry here. And then the DAX finally. Yeah, the DAX was also extremely difficult the past week, but also actually the past 2 or 3 weeks already. First of all, yeah, this this wave 2, you cannot really anticipate on this. I think we only had a very now afterwards. Of course, if you have all the data, it's way easier. But I mean, let's say price we are at this level or even this level, you don't expect this to be a wave 2. It does not make any sense to enter there in the expectation that this is a wave 2. Like this, we only had a 0.236 fib retracement. Yeah, if I would assume that every 0.236 fib retracement is a wave 2, and I would go long here from the 0.236 fib retracement, then I would lose a lot of money. No, you have to stick to your rules, to your system, and a wave 2 should go in the area between the 0.5 and so the 0.5 and the 0.854 fib retracement. I was also waiting for this area to buy again, but it did not happen. The wave 2 was in here apparently, and then because of this then I really had difficulties with interpreting this. Like I was really suffering on this, how to interpret. But in the end, yeah, it turned out you cannot really interpret this. So yeah, I could not really take a trade here. Then maybe what I do regret is actually this one here, um you can always try to to take this retests of the low no matter what, because risk reward, this is extremely interesting, and this is something I should consider in the future. I believe if you really put your just with the small portion of your account, taking systematically the retests of the low could be an idea to do in the future. I did it before, but yeah, I find it kind of gambling. But I mean, why not? It's if it works, you can have tremendous profit. I mean, this holds here because the big money wants it to hold. it's not us, a bunch of retail traders who stops this and created this move, like this V-shape recoveries. So yeah, if I would just in the future like put an entry order very close to the low, let's say, just your stop loss just below the low, and yeah, just very small um, portion of the account, then yeah, this can turn out quite well. But yeah, I think like we had this structure here, and I really did not see what we were doing. And if we are not see what we are doing, then I just block. I don't do anything anymore until I see something. And this is actually the explanation why I didn't take this kind of trade. But yeah, normally, so yeah, if you stay focused, then yeah, this is something to consider in the future, I think, to take this kind of trades. So yeah, overall, I think yeah, difficult week. One partially successful trade in the NASDAQ. Yeah, I think, yeah, the DAX, there was not much to do. The FTSE, I was yeah, I'm still waiting for this short. But yeah, we are not moving now for 3 or 4 days. We are just sitting there in the resistance zone. The Dow, yeah, yeah, it was difficult to try or to catch the top. And then the Nasdaq, yeah, partially successful trade, some partial profits, and the rest I was stopped out. But we had some really violent moves there, so also difficult in the Nasdaq, I think. So yeah, okay, that was it for this week. So let's enjoy the weekend now, and then next week we start again. See you all on Monday for new videos on the DAX, the FTSE, the Dow, and the Nasdaq. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.